Steaming 2 tilapias fish in here. Some asparagus, pepper and lemon, and about 1 minute so far. On for about 10 minutes, and we'll see what we've got from here. It should be cooked. So I went 10 minutes, and you can see I picked apart at one of them. There's still some uncooked area in there. So let it go another 5. Okay, so I think we've got it. It's 15 minutes. Let's check this one. Yep, these are done. 15 minutes. It's kind of a bony fish. Watch out for bones. But this came out perfect. Tastes really good. Nice.
The industrial test site, Area 51. Do a barrel roll. Ooh, cool. Nice. Is that like a built-in function, or are you just good at it?
No, it's a built-in function.
Oh.
You can do it any direction, like forward flip.
Wow. What if I tried to attack it? Would it go away?
If you took this back in time 100 years, you could rule the world.